Hi there, this is Catherine from Pesto, and today I'm going to give a demo of how your team can effectively use Pesto. Pesto is the digital workplace for remote and hybrid teams that makes remote work less lonely and more effective. If you're new to Pesto, you can create a team by going to the pesto.app website and clicking Sign Up. You can sign in via your Gmail, GitHub, or Microsoft account. You can also use Pesto in browser, or you can use the desktop app, which is what we recommend. This is what your Pesto team looks like. You'll see everyone in your team here in the main office. I'm going to go over the various features that we have. So the main feature of Pesto are the rooms. Rooms are customizable spaces for various activities, and we have a variety of room types that I'll walk you through. We use the basic rooms for all of our meetings and collaboration work. You'll see here on the side that we have multiple basic rooms for different purposes. It makes it easier for us to set up meetings since we don't have to designate a specific location in the meeting invite. For example, if we have a team meeting, we all know to hop into the all hands room. Or if I'm having a one-on-one with Doug, I can just hop into Doug's office. The basic rooms support audio, video, screen sharing, and screen drawing. Multiple people can share their screen at once, which makes it easy for collaborative work. Every room also has a room chat where you can send messages, links, and files. We also have a few fun features like the Celebrate React and GIF React. When you're in a room, you can lock the room to prevent others from hopping in. Other people will have to knock and be let in when the room is locked. Now we'll go over the other room types. We have the built-in trivia room where you can test your trivia knowledge in multiple categories. This is great for team bonding or team socials. In the Lofi room, you can listen to Lofi music with your teammates. This room is meant to be used for focused work, which is why you can't talk to or hear anyone else in the room. Imagine if you were studying or working with your friends in a room, but everyone is focused on their own work. It's a nice way to passively hang out with your teammates. And you can also choose from multiple types of lo-fi music, from more chill to more techno lo-fi beats. The spatial rooms are great for events or socials. In the spatial rooms, you can move your avatar around a map and interact with people. You can only hear and see each other if your video is on when you're within a certain distance from the other person. As you move further away from them, their audio and video will begin to fade until you can no longer hear or see them. It's meant to simulate being in an actual room where you can make the rounds and hop in and out of conversations. The Pesto team goes video off for all of our meetings. This is because our Pesto avatars are meant to be a less fatiguing stand-in for video. We all know that being on video conference calls all day can be exhausting. That's why we created these customizable avatars. It's much less tiring than having video on, but more personable than showing up as a black screen with your name on it. Here you can personalize your avatar. As you can see here, we have a lot of different options to choose from. We also release limited time avatar items each month that you can unlock with your Pesto coins. You can claim 50 Pesto coins in the Missions tab each week. We also have a variety of integrations in the Pesto app. The most important ones are the Google Calendar and Microsoft Calendar integrations. You can add multiple calendars and choose if the event details are public or private to other members in the team. When you're in a meeting, your status will appear orange to let your teammates know you're busy and may be unable to respond. If you choose to keep your calendar private, it'll show up as event details hidden to others. We also have a Pesto Google Calendar scheduler that lets you add Pesto rooms to your Google Calendar invites with just one click. This is great for meetings with external clients and partners. Some other fun integrations that we have are the weather, birthday, and Spotify integrations. If your team is distributed like ours, you can see what the weather is like where your teammate is located. The birthday integration lets people know when it's your birthday without you having to say anything. And lastly, the Spotify integration lets your teammates know what music you're currently listening to. On the side here, you can set your status to let people know if you're stepping away or if you're focusing on deep work and don't want to be interrupted. You can choose whether people can still pull you in for chat while your status is active. After setting your status, you can also change the time and availability setting at any time. Over here, you can see whether your door is open or closed. An open door means that anyone can automatically pull you into a chat and start talking to you. For your privacy, you will be muted when you first get pulled in by default. This can always be changed in your audio and video settings under Join Poll defaults. When your door is closed, other people must request to speak to you, and you must choose to accept the request to be pulled into a room. Pesto also has discussions. You can create multiple discussions with different topics of focus. In the discussions, you can emoji react, send links or attachments, and send GIFs. You can do the same in direct messages as well. When creating discussions, you can also choose who will be added to the discussion channel. The default will be everyone in the team. If you feel that there are too many rooms and discussions that aren't all relevant to you, you can easily unpin or turn off notifications for individual rooms and discussions. In the Members tab in Team Settings, you can manage the members on your team. To invite new team members, you can send them a direct invite link or invite them via email. You can also manage each individual member's role. Under the Roles tab, you'll see that there is an admin user and a regular user. Admins will have all permissions, whereas regular users have limited permissions. You can also create custom roles for your team. Additionally, you can create multiple Pesto teams and be part of multiple teams. This is great for companies that want to create separate teams for each department. You can have people outside of your team join meetings in Pesto by sending them a room link. You can directly send them a link to a particular room by simply clicking Copy the room link. Or you can simply use the Pesto scheduler mentioned before in your meeting invites. When a guest first enters Pesto, they can choose to personalize their avatar and name. Once they click Request Access, they will be put into a waiting room. Members of the team will then see the request as a blue alarm in the room list. To accept or reject a request, join the room and select the appropriate action. I hope that you found this overview helpful. If you have any further questions, you can always reach out to us via the blue chat button on our website or via the support chat in your Pesto team.